As we continue the journey of our travel series, Meghalaya, the Abode of Clouds, we took our next road trip to Mawphlang. This village is 25 kilometers away from its capital city, Shillong. Mawphlang is another beautiful village which displays some great landscapes in this region. Mawphlang is home to the sacred forest, and it is believed to be one of the most popular sacred forests in the country. On reaching the forest, you will feel the calmness and the peaceful atmosphere around you. You can also just take a walk around and enjoy the scenic place. Local guides are available to take you around inside the forest and share informations and stories about this place. There has been a number of stories generated over the years about Mawphlang Sacred Forest. It is as simple as this: you cannot take anything outside from this forest. Not even a small piece of wood or a dead leaf goes out from this place. It is believed that one who ignores this rule and dare take something out of this forest falls ill mysteriously, which may even turn fatal at times. A number of monoliths is also seen amidst the sacred forest. An untouched forest is what it is known for, and it is one of the most sacred forests of the Khasi people. As we left the place, we saw a large number of vehicles queuing up at the entry counter, waiting for their turn to get an entry into the forest. One has to pay an entry fee of Rs 30 per head and an additional amount of Rs 50 for parking fees. It can be an expensive trip for one who is looking to shoot videos with his drone, as the amount charged is Rs 5,000. The best time to visit Mawphlang Sacred Forest is around September to March-April. This is all we have for you all in this video for today. We will be back again next week with another exciting travel story. Thanks for watching.